Make her growl.
Make her growl. She likes the taste of it though.
But she
Like
doesn't.
that?
She don't like the feel of it.
Oh, that smells good.
No, it's a good girl.
Here, I'm sorry, Steph. Here. Here.
You gotta pet her. Make her do it so I can see her teeth. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Don't do that, I can't. All right.